Alright, we've got the Keltec. This is the P-3AT 380. We're going to disassemble and reassemble it. No magazine, nothing in the chamber. Alright, the Keltec, it's this little pin right here. Now this can be a little aggravating, so I'm going to pull back a little bit, put my thumb back behind that and get it started. And then I'm going to take, this is a clay workers or carvers tool, and then we'll put it behind there, and we're just going to pop it past the little piece of plastic right here. It gets jammed up right there, and then you can just pull it on out. Now hold on to it, pull it off the frame. The frame's ready to clean. Set it to the side, and then we're going to take the rod and spring, push forward, pull out, hold on to it, push forward, pull out. This has your rod, and it's a double spring on this one. Then we're going to take the barrel. You kind of pull up a little bit, push forward, wiggle it out. And that is completely disassembled, so we can go clean it. Then we're going to come back, we're going to put it all right back together. Please like, subscribe, and comment on this video below. Thanks. Alright, we're going to put it back together. So we're going to take the slide and the barrel. Now the barrel we're going to send down, of course, the barrel hole at kind of an angle, and then pull it back. And the spring, any of these springs that have the that aren't contained, that basically the spring is kind of free, you're gonna have to wiggle down in here. So this is the front, and of course this is the rear where the rod actually inserts. This is the rear. This is what sits down in this little beveled or notched groove right here. So it's going to sit down right there. This has got a very defined groove on this one. So we're going to send this down in the hole up front, and now you're going to have to wiggle it. You're just going to have to keep playing and wiggling it, and then it will go in, and you're going to seat it down in there just like that. It's not a lot that catches it, but you do want it down in that beveled groove. Now this is ready to go back together. Now on the bottom of the barrel, or the back of the barrel, which is actually the chamber, but the bottom of the barrel, right down in there is where this pin is going to seat through with the frame. So we're going to put it back on the frame. Alright, so we're going to take these little grooves right here and here, and then we're going to match it up with the frame. Now the frame starts about right here is where we're going to slide it in, right in here. So we're going to put it on, we're going to slide it in. Now I'm going to, you're going to have to wiggle it a little bit to get it to go back. There we go. I had to push up on the spring a little bit. It must have came down some, so I had to push up. Now I'm going to have to look through my hole. Alright, so it's lined up right here. I can see it. I don't know if you can see that right there, so I'm going to have to pull it back just a hair. If you see that sitting back just a hair, and I'm holding it with this hand. Now you've got this little, it's a flat spring right here, so we're going to, more than likely, we're going to have to take this and kind of go in an angle, and then we're going to have to, if you can see that I'm not going straight in, but I'm going kind of angled, then I'm going to push down, there it went, on that flat spring, and then I'm going to push it in. And there we go. That's all that's to it. That's the Keltec P-3AT 380 Auto. It is ready to load it up and go do some shooting.